Now, in this lecture, we will discuss how to find a derivative of a complex valued function. You are aware how to differentiate a real valued function. And we all know that the complex valued function can be written as u plus iv, where u and v are real valued functions. Before finding the derivative of a complex valued function, we require some of the points which we have discussed in the previous lecture. If f of z is an analytic function in some region R, you are aware that an analytic function is a function which is differentiable at a point and is also differentiable at the neighborhood of a particular point. If you have an analytic function, then the necessary condition is that it has to satisfy the Cauchy-Riemann equations which are given here, namely dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. It is called as the CR equations. So if you have an analytic function, then it has to necessarily satisfy the CR equations. This is point number one. And point number two that we have to remember is a formula for f dash of z. This we have been using it while deriving the CR equations in Cartesian form. Namely, f dash of z is equal to dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. This is one way of representing f dash of z. Because of the CR equations that has been given here, you have another way of representing the function f dash of z. Namely, f dash of z will be minus I into dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou y. And you can see that this is obtained when you remember the CR equations. Dou u by dou x is replaced with dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou x is replaced with minus dou u by dou y. So you have to remember any one of the formula for f dash of z. But of course, one can be obtained from the other when you substitute the CR equations. So these three are important for us to solve or find a derivative of a complex valued function. As an example, I have taken a simpler function f of z is equal to z squared. We have to show that it satisfies the CR equations, and at the same time you have to find its derivative. Suppose if I give you a real valued function f of x is equal to x squared, then the derivative will be 2x. And the complex space is a superset of real space. Here when I take the imaginary part to be 0, then the complex valued function will be a real valued function. And when it is a real valued function, then automatically the derivative should coincide. So our guess is that the derivative of z squared should be 2z. But of course, how do you get this mathematically? You have to remember the formula for f dash of z, and from that when you integrate you get the required value of f of z. So in this case, first what we will do is we will verify whether this function satisfies the CR equations. In order to verify the CR equations, you have to separate the real and imaginary parts of the function z squared. I assume u plus iv is z squared, and z, you know that it is x plus iy when I square it, and when I expand x plus iy whole square and equate the real and imaginary parts, we get u is equal to x squared minus y squared, and the imaginary part v is equal to 2xy. So now you remember the CR equations. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. So all the partial derivatives are required. So now what I do is I calculate dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. That is differentiating partially with respect to x and y. So when I differentiate u partially, I get dou u by dou x as 2x and dou u by dou y as minus 2y. Similarly, when I differentiate partially v with respect to x and y, I get dou v by dou x is equal to 2y and dou v by dou y is equal to 2x. I have just given you the CR equations again. You have to remember these CR equations, and you can verify that the value of dou u by dou x and dou v by dou y are equal, namely 2x, and dou u by dou y is negative of dou v by dou x. So the first part gets completed here. We have verified that the function f of z satisfies the CR equations. Now I have to find the derivative. So I use the formula f dash of z is equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. I substitute the value of dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x, and I get the value as 2z. I can also use the other formula, namely f dash of z is equal to dou v by dou y minus I into dou u by dou y. And again, substituting the corresponding values, we get the value of f dash of z as 2z. So as I told you, the key point is you have to remember the CR equations, remember the formula and formula for f dash of z, and once when you can remember any one of the formula, you can find out f dash of z. As an example, I am now trying to find the derivative of e power a z, where a is a constant. So when you differentiate e power x, you get e power x if it is a real valued function. Of course, e power x will be a real valued function. When you differentiate e power a z, similarly you should get a e power a z, because here z is a complex number. So because it is a complex number, you have to use the CR equations and find its derivative. So as usual, I separate e power a z into real and imaginary parts by using e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, De Moivre's representation of a complex number. So the real part of f of z is equal to e power a z is e power ax into cos ay, and the imaginary part is e power ax into sin ay. I calculate the partial derivatives of u and v with respect to x and y. This will be same as that as a real valued function, because I don't have any complex or imaginary part here. So After evaluating the partial derivatives of u and v, we can verify the CR equations. You can see here dou u by dou x is a into e power ax cos ay, and similarly dou v by dou y is equal to a e power ax into cos ay. These two are equal. Therefore, the first CR equation is satisfied. Now, what about the second equation? We have dou u by dou y, which is equal to minus a e power ax into sin ay, and dou v by dou x is a e power ax into sin ay. You can see that one is the negative of the other, and therefore the CR equations number 2 is satisfied. Dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. So number 2 is satisfied. Equation number 2 is satisfied, and therefore you can make the conclusion that the CR equations are satisfied. Now I use the formula for f dash of z, which is equal to dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. I substitute the corresponding values and I get f dash of z is equal to a e power ax into cos ay plus I sin ay, which will give you the required result. F dash of z is equal to a e power az. As in the previous problem, you can use any one of the formula for the derivative. Suppose if I use the formula f dash of z is equal to dou v by dou y minus I into dou u by dou y. Again you get the value as a e power az. Now these are some of the problems which you can try. These are all standard functions, namely finding the derivative of f of z is equal to sin z, f of z is equal to cos z, and you have also been given with an hyperbolic function f of z is equal to cos h z. Now these functions, even though they are complex valued function, when I restrict the imaginary part to be 0, these becomes real valued functions. So the result for the derivative of a real valued function of sin x and the derivative of sin z, complex valued function sin z, is going to be almost similar, and you can see that derivative of sin z will be cos z. But of course you have to convince yourself by evaluating f dash of z. And similarly the derivative of cos z will be minus sin z, and the derivative of cos h z will be sin h z. This you can try, verify, and see that the results are correct. Once when you get the answers right, you can pass on to the next video and listen to the lecture. If you have any queries, you can ask the teacher, who will be ready to clarify any doubts. Thank you.